Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change text size on TikTok. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Now click on your profile icon on the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Next, click on the 3 lines option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Now, locate the Settings and Privacy option at the bottom of the screen and click on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down the menu, find the Accessibility option, and click on it. Step 6. Now, locate the text size option and click on it. Step 7. Now, set the text size you would like. Final step. For the last and most important step, click on the Adjust option, then click on the Adjust option again. You'll change the text size instantly on your TikTok account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.